Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find your Gmail password or Google account password on a laptop or PC. So if you have been signed into Gmail or Google account for a long time, you probably haven't had to type your password again, which makes it easy to forget. And before going to a password reset process, you can first check whether your password was saved in your browser. First, just open your browser like this. In here, I will be using Google Chrome, but this is also works in browser like Microsoft Edge or many other modern browser. And then next, just tap on the three dots icon, this one. And then after that, just go to password and autofill. And then just choose Google Password Manager, this one. And then in here, just choose the google.com over here. And then just scroll down until you find your username, your email username like this. And then in here you will see the password box like this, and in here you can show the password like this. You will see your Gmail password or your Google account password, and from here you can just use this password to re-log in or to log in on your another device. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.